Hey guys, Mrs. Fleur and Corey here with another edition of our math puzzles. And I hope all of you now have Chromebooks, so now you are tuning into our YouTube channel. As a reminder, your math videos between Miss Lund and myself will be posted every Tuesday and Thursday. And ELA videos from Miss Simos and myself will be on Monday and Wednesday. Miss Bell's posting videos all throughout the week for helpful hints. Mrs. Oliveira is taking care of all of those fun videos that are sprinkled throughout the week. And we just hope that you are tuning in, you have subscribed, and if there are any technical difficulties, please let your teachers know. We are working through this together. So thank you to everybody who has commented and reached out with the answers to Tuesday's math problem, which involved all of the Arctic animals. So today we're going to take a look at that problem. So when I'm looking at that problem, the very first line is 7 minus parentheses 2 plus 1 equals the polar bear. And then I see penguin plus penguin equals seal. Seal minus 3 equals, that looks like an otter. And then polar bear plus 10 equals seal. And then otter plus penguin minus polar bear equals question mark. So we are solving for that question mark. So I'm actually going to start with that very first line because I'm able to figure out what the polar bear equals. And I have to remember my order of operations. That was the last topic that we actually did while we were together. So knowing order of operations, I start with that parenthesis, 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So then I do 7 minus 3 equals polar bear. So polar bear equals 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill 4 in on that last line. So that way I can try and use that to help me figure out the question mark. So let's move on to the next line. Penguin plus penguin equals seal. Can't do that yet. Let's move down. Seal minus 3 equals otter. Nope, can't do that. Move down to the last one. Polar bear. Oop, I know what the polar bear equals. Polar bear equals 4. 4 plus 10 equals seal. Well, 4 plus 10 equals 14, so the seal must be 14. So I'm going to fill 14 in to all of the seals to help me figure out that last question mark. So now I go up to the line right above that. The seal minus 3 equals the otter. I really hope that's an otter. I might need to study my Arctic animals. So the seal minus 3 equals the otter. So the seal is 14. 14 minus 3 equals 11. So the otter is now 11. So I'm going to fill 11 in wherever I see that otter. Then I go to the line above that. Penguin plus penguin equals seal. Well, I know that the seal equals 14. If I divide 14 by 2, that means that each of those penguins must be 7 because 7 plus 7 equals 14. So the penguin equals 7. So I'm also going to fill the 7 in on that very last line, and it looks like I am ready. So I have 11 plus 7 minus 4 equals question mark. Again, going back to that order of operations, I know that addition comes before subtraction. So I'm going to add 11 plus 7, which equals 18. And then I have 18 minus 4, so my question mark equals 14. All right, guys, so I'm going to give you a new challenge today. We're going to review it on Tuesday next week, so make sure you tune in on Tuesday for this problem. And it has to do with some Twitter and some different icons that you would see online. So again, make sure you're trying it. Comment below with what your thoughts are, and make sure you've subscribed to our channel. Check Google Classroom every single day. All right? We miss you all so much. Stay safe.